Remember when a Nokia meant you could hammer a nail into a wall with your phone? For a while, it felt like that brand just vanished. But in 2026, the rumors are back, and they're louder than ever. Nokia is apparently preparing to drop what some leakers are calling their ultimate weapon. If you thought the camera race had peaked with 3 or 4 lenses, hold on. A leak surrounding the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G suggests we might be looking at a penta-lens setup. We're talking a headline-grabbing 300 megapixel main sensor, a monstrous battery, and a display that might actually compete with the big boys. But is this actually realistic, or is this just fan fiction? Let's dig into the specs and see if this lion can actually take a bite out of Apple and Samsung. Features of the Nokia Turbo Pro 5G. The display. First up, the screen. Rumors point to a massive 6.92-inch QHD plus Super AMOLED panel. If true, the colors and contrast should be top tier. The real standout here is the rumored 144Hz refresh rate. Once you've used a screen this smooth, scrolling through X or playing COD Mobile on a standard 60Hz phone feels like wading through mud. They're also claiming a peak brightness of 4500 nits. That's readable in direct sunlight territory and then some. To top it off, they're apparently using Gorilla Glass 7, so hopefully, it survives the accidental drops that kill most modern glass slabs. Camera setup. Let's get to the main event, that camera bump. It looks like Nokia is playing catch-up in a big way. The rumored setup is a 5-lens array led by a 300 megapixel main sensor. Now, we know megapixels aren't everything. Pixel binning is what actually gives you good light sensitivity, but 300 megapixel is a lot of data. In theory, the crop ability would be insane. You could zoom in digitally and still have a crisp 4K image. Alongside that, leaks suggest a 50 megapixel telephoto for optical zoom, a 48 megapixel ultra-wide for landscapes, a 24 megapixel portrait lens, and a 12 megapixel macro. For vloggers, a 50 megapixel front camera is also on the cards. If these specs hold up, the iPhone and Pixel flagships might have a real fight on their hands. Performance. To push all those pixels, you need a serious processor. Rumors point to the MediaTek Dimensity 9600. MediaTek has been climbing the ranks lately, and this chip is supposed to be an absolute powerhouse. Whether you're rendering 8K video or playing Genshin Impact at max settings, the hope is that the Turbo Pro stays cool and lag-free. It would ship with Android 16 out of the box, which hopefully means a clean UI without the bloatware that plagued older Android devices. Battery backup. Okay, here's where I have to call skeptic. Leaks claim this thing packs a 9500 mAh battery. For reference, most flagship phones sit around 5000 mAh. To fit a battery nearly twice that size, the phone would have to be either extremely thick or use some solid-state battery tech that doesn't really exist in consumer hands yet. If it is true, you'd get 2 to 3 days of use easily. And with 100-watt charging, you'd refill it in minutes. But I'll believe that battery size when I see it. Price and launch date. So, what's the damage? If rumors are accurate, Nokia is targeting the premium segment at around $720 USD. At that price point, it's undercutting the competition while offering potentially better hardware. It's a compelling what if. We're expecting a potential announcement around December 2026. So, the big question, would a Nokia flagship actually make you switch from your iPhone or Galaxy? Or is the brand too far gone to make a comeback? Let me know in the comments.